one with 2 eggs and put it in the flatbread. Do you want it spicy? The old lady and her husband have been running this stall for decades. They started when their hair was still black, and by next year, they'll reach 50 years in business. She's so skilled she doesn't even crack her own eggs anymore. Customers bring them, and she cooks by feel. The smell of sizzling batter and scallions fills the air as people line up. The stall stretches far along the street, every pan steaming with golden batter. 2 eggs with flatbread, just a little chilly, she repeats calmly. Nearly 50 years later, she still cooks like it's the first day, steady and confident. This stall isn't just old, it's part of Tianjin's breakfast soul, serving flavor and memory every morning. Thanks for watching Nihao Bites. See you in the next Taste of China. It's really hot here. Even the bowl can't handle the heat. Do you want it spicy? She asks again. Just a little, the man replies. The batter is thick and smooth, never watery. I bought 1 Jianbing with flatbread, round and perfect, for 9 yuan. I like it with soft bread instead of the crispy cracker. The old man pours a full ladle of batter, spreading it evenly across the pan. No shortcuts, no hesitation. The scent of eggs and scallions rises as he flips it over. You can taste the difference in every bite. It's rich, dense, and comforting. The kind of flavor that reminds you why simple food lasts so long. This stall proves that time refines tradition, not replaces it. Thanks for watching Nihao Bites. See you in the next Taste of China. Many Jianbing stalls now sprinkle a few mung beans and brush them with egg, but this one doesn't. The old couple keeps the classic method. He sprinkles scallions only at the end, keeping their crunch and fragrance. The result is layered and rich. Long ago, Jianbing was a luxury. It didn't even have mung bean flour, only plain batter with flatbread. Most workers couldn't fill up with one, so they paired it with a large pancake. Simpler times, but full of meaning. This stall has survived 50 years by keeping that same care and patience. Every motion shows experience. Every sound from the pan tells a story of Tianjin mornings and old traditions still alive. Thanks for watching Nihao Bites. See you in the next Taste of China. When I was young, few people brought their own eggs for Jianbing. Only the wealthier ones in Heping district could afford it. Today I came to Heping town to try this 50-year-old stall. I realized it's the same spot where I once had fried spicy noodles. Maybe this is what locals have eaten for decades. Something warm and simple. Across the street stands the International Port Church, one of Tianjin's landmarks. I remember the persimmon trees near its gate when I was a kid. Finishing my Jianbing now, I can say it's one of a kind. 50 years and it still tastes like home. Round, soft, and full of history. Thanks for watching Nihao Bites. See you in the next Taste of China.